So, you finished your triangle lesson. Now let's push it a little farther. I have a piece of white paper, a ruler, and my Sharpie again. This time we're going to use a different shape with more shades. Here we go. Start by creating a line that goes through your paper one side to the other, somewhere close to being in the middle, and then turn and do that same thing again. Now you have 4 squares on your paper. Each one of these, you are going to very carefully draw a very nice rectangle or square in the center. All 4, same thing. Try to make your line straight. If you want to use your ruler, please do so. Rulers are always a good answer. And last, okay. Next, using your ruler, for sure, you are going to be drawing a line that connects the middle point to this corner. Whoops, that was a little bit off. And again, this point to this line. This is going to give us a bit of an optical illusion. So all 4 corners of your square are going outward. Okay? So it looks like it's going back into space. You're going to do that in all 4 sections for this project. I'm only going to do the top part of my paper because I want you to see the coloring part. Alright? But you can kind of see the effect that that's going to have. It's pretty cool. After you get those completed, you're going to need 5 different shades of color. So, I would choose to do, or you could do 3. 3 works also. You're going to make your lightest color on the actual square itself. I wish I knew how to fast forward this part. So you can tell that I'm not using perfect craftsmanship on this right now because I really want to get this finished quickly so you're not watching me color for an hour. So the lightest goes on one section, and then I'm going to start with a purple on the sides, and then I'm going to go over this purple with a blue because I want these 2 sides to be a bit different. I'm going to pause the video so I can color. My purple is finished. Now I'm going to go over the purple with a layer of blue. So now I've gone over both sides with the blue, and this time I'm going to start on these sides, and they're just going to be blue. Okay, so I have these 2 sections blue, these 2 sections are purple and blue, and now to make the blue sections have a darker value, I'm going to come back and I'm going to add a light layer of black to them. This is going to really add that contrast that I'm needing right now. So you can see that now I definitely have a light, medium, and dark value between my colors. And now I have a choice. I can choose to finish these exactly the same, or I could switch colors for each section of this paper. So your job today is to push yourself farther to create another piece of art showing different values, the lightnesses and darknesses of colors, and use those to create a 3-dimensional look to your art. I hope you've enjoyed it. I can't wait to see what you create.